Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and if you're looking closely, you'll notice that I am in Google Classroom. And my friends, I've got something I shared with you last week called the fridge. Today, I'm going to send something in the stream, and if you want, you can add your stuff to the fridge. So, my friends, let's get cracking. Alright, so here you can see in the stream the information I posted. Now when I post to the stream, it is just stuff students can watch. It's not stuff I'm requiring them to watch. I'm just giving them things because, hey, we're doing all this online learning at the point. So today I mentioned, hey, it's International Pet Day. I give you 2 videos of my pets. If you want, you can watch them, and then feel free to add a picture of your pets to the fridge assignment. So what that means is up here under classwork, these are all the things that are assigned. I gave you one called the fridge. Now when I created this, I mentioned this was like when I was at home. When I did something awesome, we could post it on the fridge in the house, and that way when you walk by, you can see it. So you can post any pictures, comments that you have in here, and it just lets me see the cool things that you made. It can be any of my lessons that you've done, share what you did to make it more awesome, or like we're doing here, so I know a little bit about your pets and more about you. And friends, I just had an idea. If you go to Twitter and you put hashtag the fridge, you can share cool stuff with me as well. So one of the cool things today was it's International Pet Day, so I just tagged both of those in this little post. Friends, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. If you've got a question, comment, or suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button. And last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.